Hey guys, Jay again, Opkee Investors, and we came across some other information during our research. You know, we always say do your own research with the NURP, and I don't know if I mentioned this in the last video or not, but I think based on the research that they're utilizing a trading robot called the FED bot, and we came up with more possible results. Again, guys, the marketing is absolutely great with this, but sometimes there are hidden risks, and these hidden risks to me is lying through omission. I'm not calling them a scam. I'm not calling them liars, because of course, people who put their money in this robot, I don't think that the marketing is designed to show the whole story. As always, I'm going to tell you over and over again, we're not financial advisors, and this is not financial advice. You still have to do your own testing and due diligence, but we are, as a group, as a collective, we are 100% transparent in what we're going through, whether it's good, bad, or ugly. Now, based on what my buddy told me when he told me to research this, because he wanted us as a group to put money into it, that whole $18,000 or $20,000 was just crazy to me, and it did not make it out of our phase one research, which is looking for myfxbook, even talking to people who may have some experience with it. Yeah, we go that far. I will go online. I will go to Reddit or whatever and just say, hey guys, I will give you guys a Starbucks coffee gift card, Amazon gift card, 30 or 50 bucks just to talk to me and tell me if this is something that we should take a look at or not. So we go a little bit in depth. We're not gonna send someone $20,000 and then put $50,000 in an account to trade. Hold on. Just as a brief reminder, you can always go to Trustpilot here and look up NURP, and of course you've got to hit the 1-star reviews and they'll come up. Now again, can't say if these are true, if they're fake. Well, obviously it's not fake because they responded to this person, and they're talking about the stop loss tool. But this is where we're getting our price range. Someone said, told us that it was 20,000. This person says it was 18,000 for the setup fee, and then he invested $100,000 in this. Now, I think if he would have had this information, and obviously this person is a novice to the game, but if he would have had this information as far as doing your own research, he may have looked at things a little bit differently. Let's go to, nope. First we're going to go to Jeff's account. One thing that I've noticed with Jeff's account, I don't know if he pulled out or if he just stopped recording it, because it's not showing what happened to his major drawdown. This is where everyone lost. It seems like all the people who are complaining, this is the date that they lost all of their money. This was July 24th. Now it is August 6th, and it hadn't shown any more trades. So we don't know what happened in his account. So it's not full transparency, at least from this particular myfxbook account. Okay. And this is what I found when I started researching a little bit more. Search for FED bots. All these are real money accounts, but look at some of these drawdowns, guys. The gains right here. This gain was 76% gone, 99% gone, 99% gone. Again, I don't know if these are independent accounts or from the NURP company, but it's awfully suspicious. If I would have seen all of these blown accounts, there's no way in hell I would have paid $20,000 for this robot, because it looks great for a while, but if you have been in this game long enough, you know there are robots that can go for years and then just wipe out your account in one day. So if you're not playing with house money, that hurts. If you put $100,000 in it and the next day it wipes it out, that hurts, guys. Let's take a look at some of these. And let's see. Will this open? Yeah, we'll open this one. 76%. Here we go. And I don't know who that is. I guess that this was one of their clients, but ouch. Wow, this was this year. That was this year. So this one had 4,000. So that means they took some money out of, so they actually had a gain of 19%, but it lost all, if not most of the gain on this. That's what this is showing. And again, guys, if you look at the date, because this was a withdrawal, this was a withdrawal. So they took some of their money out and they were playing in house money. So this was a good thing, at least the way that they managed their own money. So kudos to you, Anna, but you lost 76% of some of those gains. Let's see, deposits 8,000, withdrawals 6,000. So, and the balance now is 4,000. Highest was 21. Okay, let's look at some of the 99% ones. That's for the hell of it. Here's one. Let's see. This one looked like. Absolute gain was 16%, so he took some of the money out, but this is where, look at this, man. Look at all the damage that was done. Here, started with 0, the growth, and this was 23. This was December 23. So it shows the same pattern. This one was actually December of 23, and it was the exact same pattern. Making money, making money, making money, making money, making money. They made a withdrawal right here, so that means they were still going. So this is not a withdrawal signal. This is actually a crash. And then boom, 99%, which an overall loss of 16%, but they gave back all of their profits. That's what that's telling me. Okay, let's look at one more. Let's see here. Let's look at another 99%. These are the ones that are killing. Let's look at this one. Damn. That's what they show, man. It always happens, and it happens like boom. God, I don't know about you, but if I had this information, there's no way in hell. If I knew this was a possibility without them putting in some sort of drawdown parameters, wow. There's no way in hell that I would have done that. Now, I don't know about the other folks, the other people. So this is what it looks like. If you guys go to myfxbook and put in the Fed BOT, and then you'll see quite a few blown accounts. Look at that, blown account, and then several of them. So it seems like this bot has been around for a while, and look at this one. This is 3. Let's look at the good ones though. Now this person's smart. They're withdrawing their money. And 191 absolute gain here, so it doubled its account. This is May to March, so in a year it doubled its account. And this guy or lady, let's see, yeah, whoever this is, really smart because they were taking their money. Look at that, they were taking deposits out. Good job, good job. Okay, and last one, just having some fun. I just think if people were to see that this robot will blow your account at some time, they may not be getting $20,000 for it, because there are tons of robots that'll give you the same results for a period of time. Then it will blow if you don't have money management system. So do I think that, again, I'm going to say this, I don't think they're a scam at all. I don't think they're a scam at all. I just think that it's a little bit overhyped, and it may be lying through admission. Again, I hadn't been through a sales call. They may give you this particular page. I'm not sure, but the way things are going right now, it seems like that's not the first time that this bot has blown. And they may even teach some money management principles, some risk principles that can avoid this. But most people who jump on this are novices, and they're not going to do that because they're more driven by the greed. Check out some of our robots and managed robot trading that we're doing. At the very least, when you lose, you can lose a whole lot less. You can learn lessons that aren't $100,000 lessons, $50,000 lessons, $20,000 lessons. So it's a better way to learn how to trade with robots, and that's using as little money or even zero money in the beginning until you understand what's really happening with the robot in a collective group. Guys, go out there and make some real money.